Somebody from a death or something like that, this song goes out to you. I'm sitting here in a state of shock. I look at the time, now it's 8 o'clock. Just hours ago, we were on the phone. How can this be real? How come you're gone? Your face I see in my head, and I think about the last words that you said. I'll see you tomorrow. You said to me, but how are we to know tomorrow will never be? Why did you go? I said it hurts so much. You'll never, 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 never know. To see, I'm screaming out to you as I fall to my knees, my knees. How do I say goodbye? How do I go? How do I get through these days alone? So many years you've been a part of me. This pain is so deep. I reach out for you, but you're not there. It must have been a dream that you were here. My heart is empty, will this go away? I see you working so hard. Oh, why did you have to leave me? I said it hurts so much. Can't you see, can't you see, can't you see? I'm screaming out to you as I fall to my knees, my knees. Why did you leave? Why did you go? Yes, there's somebody.